for nest, right behind. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for penguin, what a treat. A, B, C, come and see, popping from the egg for me. One by one, out they peek, what will be the next we seek? Q is for queen with a shining crown. R is for rabbit hopping out. S is for sun, so big and bright. T is for tiger, what delight. U is for umbrella, open wide. V is for violin, from inside. W is for whale, from the mystery egg. X is for solar, from let's look again. Y is for yo-yo, what do we see? Z is for zebra, now we're at sea. A to Z came out today from the surprise egg.